minimize it. And NX. Wow. So I think that's in stream chat, multi-stream, it will be here. Viewer can live, that's fine. Go to live dashboard. Let me see the live dashboard. This is for YouTube, and for Twitch, I think the same. Yeah, it's excellent. So I think this is my first or my second trial here for streaming, and for for those who don't know my name or my profession, my name is Yusuf, and I am Omani, nearby Emirat, or I think you already know Oman and the area now in this era. My goal actually for this tutorial, I am programmer or solution architect since a long time. I didn't touch much that coding, especially for the last 2 years since this coding agent came. My goal is to relearn again or rebuild my knowledge about the programming world, about what you call it, the basics, fundamentals. We are only prompting, 50% prompting, 50% as a QA for the project, and retest it again and again without any experience or forgetting the fundamentals and the basics. My end goal, my vision for this tutorial, so this is not a tutorial, this is me sharing my journey for you guys, so you follow my path and rebuild your fundamentals again and again. So this is Yusuf. I will start with C because I was master at C. Now I forget it. My end goal here, 2 things. One thing is to rebuild my knowledge, and the second thing, after 1 year, I am planning, or I have my own vision that I want to contribute in Linux development with Linus Torvalds. That's my end goal. That's what I am sharing here in this, and welcome to the channel. Subscribe, like, support me in these terms. So I am starting with the C tutorial with W3 School, the basics. The start point, or the first one, is just learning what C is. A special Visual Studio Code. I don't want to touch Visual Studio Code since that one will be filled with the LLM support. So for me, we'll go to, I have already as a coder, I have separate folder for C programming language. This is in my PC, clear. So I can just write touch main.c. Let me just do this. So I have main.c, and this file, or let's go create a folder, rebuild my C. I will say this is touch first or 01.c and nano 01.c. So I am here. I am not depending on any LLM to let's say to autocomplete or anything. I want to build my knowledge. I want to rebuild my experience of writing C for the low level. Previously I was doing VHDL, Verilog, hardware descriptive language, which is the lowest with nearby assembly, and not, I think it's lower than assembly, because you are developing the hardware, not writing code for hardware directly, not as a software. So here, let's start. C is a general purpose programming language that has been widely used for over 50 years. That's correct. It's first one. It's very powerful. It has been used to develop operating system. Yeah, that's my goal to contribute to the Linux development with Linux databases, application, and open source projects. Example: this is the basic programming or basic which has include. Let's go here like that. I want to copy to try it again and again, so I don't forget the syntax. Include std st standard IO input output library h. So I have the int main print f hello, not word, hello Yusuf, return 0. So I think gcc 01 minus o 01.o. I think like that. Okay, I have a mistake in the return. That's normal. I used to have the autocomplete, but now there is no autocomplete. What a life. What a life. Okay. Yes. Now it's running fine. So I go back again to having this one. Let's compile it again. No, this one. Run it again. Yeah. So this is the one how to write. Okay, this is the basic function for. Okay. Try it yourself, editor. Make it easier to learn. You can edit code and view the result in your browser. I think I need to check if I can. Vim 01 C. Yeah, this is better. So I have this tab. Okay, let's test it again. Error expected. Okay, it deleted something by mistake. So yeah, it's working. So I will be using Vim instead of Nano. It doesn't have that shift, or have to be. So many chapters in this tutorial ends with the exercise where you can check your level of knowledge. What function used to do? I have to check. I think that one is printf. Yeah, printf. Correct answer. Thank you. Let's test. This was main, and this was one printf. Show answer. Yeah, it says correct. You cannot use more than one printf function in your program. False. This is not false. Let me test it. But for me, I think this is false. Print f hello viewers. Yeah, that's correct. That's fine. So, and this is not correct. Let's share our yes. Okay. That's the first tutorial here, and let's go back to the actions. See all. See, not this one. This is later, for later when we finished. So that's what we will be learning in C. C introduction, C general purpose. Who is this guy? Dennis, Richie, at Bell Labs. I know the Bell Labs, but this one I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I saw him multiple times in X. It's a because it's fast. It's used for operating system. I know that one because we used to develop embedded systems, program inside devices. This is the embedded systems, and also parts of operating system mostly written in C. So they need to be fast, including databases, system tools. Yeah, that's correct. And also we have difference between C++, C. Not often. So this is not correct. From what I know, this is not correct. Okay, C is mainly procedural language. You build program with functions. Yeah, that's correct. C++ support classes and objects, and C doesn't support it directly. Maybe, I don't know. Okay. So here we have this one. We have a variable called char, characters, name. I think this is array for a character of called John. So let's do it. This is our second, so we'll go touch or vim02c. Let's go enter mode. This is include stdio.h, correct, and main. Nice. Now I have char name. Yeah, and now I am getting the old details. John Joseph. That's my Hebrew name. My Islamic name is Yusuf. That's just keep it in your mind. So print f name is name, return 0. I think gcc 02.c minus o 0.o. So we have 0.2.o. Yes. So now we are passing the character name here to be printed here. So this is percentage sign s. That means there is a string to be printed. I think one for f is for the float number, and I think n for integers, something like we will go for a d for digits. So if we have here okay, int count. So here we'll be having print count is dollar sign. This is count. Let's see. Does this work? Let me see. We need to a new line. Okay, this is yes, we got the new lines. So this is how you write a variable and pass it for the print so it can be printed. So we have hello John, hello Yusuf, hello everyone. So this is just the basic steps by step. This is we already covered it, and they are trying to convince that we will use their editor. I don't want any ID. I want to directly Vim without Vim for the strong people. Okay, congratulations. You have now written and executed our second. يعني second field. You have already seen the following code a couple of times in the first chapter. أيوة, we know it. printf, we know it. So line 1. So line 1 is include std library. That's tell C to include a header file. Header file, I think in C, it's like a library or a rewritten code for something specific in C. So instead of writing the printf details, how to print it in the console, it's just directly printing in the screen. So that's one. Don't worry, you don't understand how include study. Yeah, we don't understand it for now. A blank line, C ignores extra space and blank lines, but we use them to make the code easier to read. Okay. Main is special function. Your program start running here. Any code inside the curly bracket will be executed. Yeah, that will be great. Let me see who is watching with us. Maybe not in YouTube, maybe in stream, something, I don't know. So we have printf, that's line, that's already, we know at, let's say, what's the purpose of include stdio in a C program? It defines the main function? No. It allows you to use input-output functions. Correct. Who joined the chat, you can put your questions in the chat box. I can reply directly, or later I can reply to you in the chat. That's fine. What does يعني. So what does printf function do? It defines the main function? No. It outputs text to the screen. That's correct. Yeah, I think that's that's what I wrote. I don't know. I think that's correct. The ends return, that means you are in terminating the function. Correct. But return 0, I don't know it. True. But the purpose define, no, it's to execute. So our statement usually end with a semicolon. That's correct. Many statements that we can make it in one line or multiple lines. That's for only for the readability of the program. Yeah, that's what we have read before. In C, each code statement must end with a semicolon. True. What is the output of the world? It's hello world. Printf, hello world. What happened? It's error. because there is no semicolon. They got me. Printf hello world, yeah, this is the one we'll get printf correctly. Statements are executed one by one in the same order as they are written, correct. Yay, we finished. Challenge, create a simple C program. Okay, I think that I can do it without logging to the okay. For us, let's go here. vim03.c include sticky io.h and main yeah, because I am all the day fasting and I was at work, it was very heavy, so this is for us after work, so that's what I am tired, a little bit tired. So here it will be 0.c minus o 0.3.o and we'll go yes. So they want us to let's take at 03.c. Let's take this one. Let's see. Yes, we nailed it. So that's easy. I think that's the main basic or main small application that we could do using C, and the others today I have to go at least 30 minutes of training or learning, and then 30 minutes until I'm getting confidence of writing C and dealing with C libraries. So today now also we'll go for the output print text. This one saying you have to put this double quotes. You cannot write like this in English, no, this is you have to put the double quotes. So printf, you can use as many printf as you like. However, note that doesn't insert a new line at the end of the output. So you have to add a new line in the end of this. Now I have to write it manually. Include stdio.h into main printf hello C printf hello Yusuf printf hello guy return 0 and we close the bracket. GCC 0.c minus o 04.o and we have 04.0. So see, it's not going to another line, so we have to do another line. The idea is to go here, have this special character, it will go for another line. See? Yeah. So we have this as a new line. That's great news. Yeah. The other thing is you print another feed instead of only strings. I think that's enough. I'm feeling sleepy today. Thank you for watching us, and hope you enjoy. You subscribe, like, and support me in this channel. My end goal for this, as I mentioned before, is to reach the level of Linus and contributing for the Linux, be a main contributor and main maintainer in Linux Foundation. And yes, my current work is commercial business, but I have this as a hobby, and maybe my role, or what you call it, in Elliot, I have that. What you call him. That man, when he came to Elliot and he was doing some development task in Linux KDE or Genome. He was saying you are a Genome, you are using a Genome Ubuntu or something like that, and he was himself as a KDE user, old habit like that. So yes, I'm shifting to the business as AI expert, AI engineer, building systems, managing large applications. But at heart, I'm still a programmer, like this basics, and want to do and contribute to open source projects. So yeah, that's me. Hope you enjoy. And each day, like this time, we'll go live for 30 minutes and finish the live.